If you've watched this series, you're probably still asking the same question. Should I quit my job? Well, there are only three real paths. Stay where you are, quit immediately, or build a bridge between the two. Most professionals are best served by the third option. Build a bridge that you cross gradually over time. It's less jolting to the system and the bank account. That way you can do gradual testing, gradual building, gradually replacing the structure of your job with the structure of your new business. You don't need to be fearless. You don't need to be perfect either. You just need to be willing to design the next step instead of drifting into it with no plan and just hopes and aspirations. And that single shift is what turns a stressful leap into a strategic transition.